So if you're watching this and you just want to know, don't put motorbike tyres on your bike, it's rubbish. Morning. I've just been into the post office, so I had to wear my mask. We're trying to sell these on eBay for like $2.99, but don't seem to get many people buying them. Don't know why. I think they're really comfy. I've got the motorbike tyres off, and oh my god, the bike is so much better. So much better. And it looks way cooler again. Oh, look at all the traffic. Yeah, they're really flat backed up. Right, everyone get down. Go, go, go. Morning everyone, I'm going to work. I'm going to take this mask off in a second. Oh, there's people bloody camping over there. Well, that's a bit weird. Here's some view. I do like that view in the morning. So yeah, let's start again. I've got the penders back on, and oh my god, the bike feels so light. It feels ridiculous. It's so nimble and it's so much faster. I've literally got all those miles an hour back that I lost because of the heavy rotational mass of the motorbike tyres. Now they felt amazing, and if, like I say, if it was a really high powered bike, it'd probably be incredible. And I rode 5 miles with a complete puncture. You don't want to know how I got it. It was a faulty inner tube. Anyway, it was a good test, and that's how I got to test my theory. Here's a little bit of footage. It's not very good. I did it on my phone, but it's proof. It's kind of proof that I did do it. I don't think the battery's going to last too well, but I'm hoping. This is a plan. I'm hoping I can get to work. Right, here's the tyre. Right, took my mask off. I know why there's loads of people, it's because it's Saturday. So if you're watching this and you just want to know, don't put motorbike tyres on your bike, it's rubbish. Unless you really don't care how fast you go and you really don't care how heavy your bike gets. But you want tyres that last forever and grip like crazy, and you can still ride on them when you get a puncture. But if you do get a puncture out on the trail, it is fixable, I believe, if you take all the stuff, which I did and I could have done, but just no, I'd rather just have normal tyres that I can get off with my own fingers. That's it. There. Why do I think they would be sort of... I don't know what that was. A giant... comedy value of it, isn't it? It bounces over everything. That's what they say about fat bikes, is they bounce. Which is funny, it's not very good for traction. That's what good suspension does, but it is pretty funny with a fat bike. downhill. I call this the bumpy road. It's the strangest road ever. It's got undulations in it. Can you see them on the camera? Probably not. In a car it's well funny, you go up and down. And you can like take off on little bits. I don't know what that thing was I hit. It must have been a massive rock or something. Ugh. Yeah, so I'm never going to put motorbike tyres back on. Right, there is one benefit I haven't even talked about, which is in the winter, it's so cold that you don't want to go fast because your face freezes off. And I refuse to wear like ski goggles and everything and a full face helmet. I just can't really be dealing with it. So there was a benefit a little bit, because it made me go slow everywhere. So I wasn't really fussed. But also I wasn't on time restraints, so I didn't have to drop the kids off at school and wasn't in a rush to get everywhere. So that's why I wasn't really fussed. Nice van. I do love a nice Volkswagen van. Oosh, got all your surf gear in it. There you go, got nothing else to talk about really. It's not too deep.